Hi there everyone! Welcome to this tutorial about phrases. The aim in this tutorial is to present the most common phrases found in the English sentence and illustrate how to use them to build your sentences. So let's start! What is a phrase? It's a group of words put together to create meaning. Examples of a phrase are a mysterious tall man, an opera song, on the kiosk stage, in the morning. Each of these communicate an idea, but they are different from a complete sentence. A sentence using these phrases is: a mysterious tall man stood up and sang an opera song on the kiosk stage in the morning. The basic elements of a sentence are the subject and the verb, man and stood up and sang. The other sections give extra information to the sentence to expand it, and they are called phrases. So, which are the most important phrases? Noun phrases. They revolve around the noun. Action phrases. It's when a verb needs or has a direct object to create meaning. Prepositional phrases. A preposition and their complements. Noun phrases. A mysterious tall man. Some gray clouds. A few gray clouds. Which one is the noun? Man and clouds. Correct! The noun is the most important part in the noun phrase, but it goes at the end of the phrase. What are the other elements? Articles and quantifiers at the beginning. A, some, a few are examples of this. Adjectives in the middle. Mysterious, tall, gray. They are not really necessary. You can only say a man. But it's possible to find adjectives in noun phrases. Verb phrases. Sang an opera song. Prepares a delicious sandwich. As you can see, in the verb phrases, the verbs are followed by a noun phrase. This is the direct object. What did he sing? An opera song. What do you prepare? A delicious sandwich. The verb goes at the beginning in this case. Afterwards, there can be an article, some adjectives, and a noun. As you can see, this is a combination between a verb and a noun phrase. Prepositional phrases. On the kiosk stage and in the morning are prepositional phrases. They start with a preposition and they have a complement. Again, you can see a pattern here. The kiosk stage and the morning are noun phrases. The preposition goes at the beginning. And then you have similar elements to the noun phrase: an article, adjectives, and noun. These are the complements of the preposition. And they create together the prepositional phrase. Activity. Think of phrases that can expand the basic sentence. Then, look at the vocabulary proposed, form phrases, and expand the sentence with them. So let's look at the basic sentence. The man ate lunch. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think of vocabulary that can form phrases. If you need more time, pause the video. Some vocabulary you can use for this sentence is young, routine, exercise, park, energetic, homemade. Can you think of phrases with this vocabulary that can expand this sentence? Again, I'm going to give you 5 seconds. If you need more time, pause the video. The way I did it was this. The energetic young man ate a homemade lunch at the park after his exercise routine. The energetic young man, it's the noun phrase that creates my subject. Ate a homemade lunch, it's the action phrase, so it's created with the verb and the direct object. And I have 2 prepositional phrases. At the park, that gives information of location, and after his exercise routine, that gives information about the time when he ate the lunch. As you can see, noun phrases are the most important phrases because they create the others. And what you can do is to pay attention to the position of the noun, the verb, and the preposition to see which type of phrase you are looking at. That's all for now. Keep learning. Peace out.